welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rae of Rae-DivaMePlz, a beginner nail tech, showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. Welcome to today's video. I will be doing an unboxing of month July, Your Nail Lab by Makartt. But before I get into this video and this unboxing, seeing what amazing goodies I got this month, hold on. Make sure you check out my last video of me visiting the biggest nail supply store here in Orlando. It's called Dustin's Nail Supply, basically downtown Orlando, and see what amazing things I purchased from their nail supply. I spent $130. That's right, $130. So go over to my last video, click here or here to check out that video to see what all I purchased for $130. If you don't know, nail supplies, any type actually of beauty supplies is expensive. Lash supplies, cosmetology supplies, hair care in general is expensive. So you can only imagine how expensive nail supplies are. Go ahead and check out that video. And if you are not aware yet, I'm doing a giveaway. So in order to enter this giveaway, make sure you go check out my last video. If not, stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll give you those instructions again. But let's go ahead and get into today's Your Nail Lab by Makartt unboxing. Alright, so let's go ahead and continue to open this month of July, Your Nail Lab by Makartt monthly subscription. So of course they have the, this subscription box is Makartt by Charmed and Armed. Don't steal my code. All right, so we got some different color flash strands, blue, pink, and iridescent. It comes in 12 colors, but I just got 3, and then it even shows you instructions on how to use them. I got looks like an ombre brush, but I'm not exactly sure. I got some gel polish, two color gel nail polish set. So I got blush pink as well as scarlet. I received some quick nail glue with the built-in brush. Let's open that. Can never have too many nail glue with the built-in brush. Nice. And let's open up those. Let's open up these polishes. These are some really cute bottles. So this is what this color looks like, kind of like a soft pink. Ooh. A blush pink. And then scarlet. I'm assuming this is going to be like a red, of course. Ooh. Nice and pretty. Put things back like how you found them. And got some nail extension gel, some poly gel. This is color 138 04. Ooh, a pretty glitter purple. Don't want to waste none of that product. So back in you go. A blue poly gel. Blue and purple are my favorite. If you did not know, now you do. This is a pretty blue. Some nail rhinestone glue. UV and LED gel. So this is just kind of basically like some clear poly gel. Really. We received some big size crystals, some clear crystals, as well as AB crystals. Super cute. As well as you received some small ones, some crystal ones on the bottom, and then the AB crystals on the top. Some loose glitter that comes with all kinds. Looks like some hearts, some stars, some circles, but pretty colors. I always love the iridescent one. It's my favorite. Then received some letters in different colors. This is really cool. I can imagine so many things being able to come up with these, like, you know, encapsulating them and like spelling someone's name for their birthday or something like that. And then last but not least, some lashes by Charmed and Armed. Hey babe, we hope you enjoy these as much as we loved creating them. XOXO, your lash team. Some premium false lashes. Ooh, y'all, these are cute. See, these are so freaking cute. Look at those. I don't even know what length these are because they don't say. All they say is just, hey gorgeous. I'm sure you can go here to learn more about their products. If I did not have on lash extensions, baby, I would definitely rock these. These are so cute. Okay, so this is everything that I received in the month of July. Your Nail Lab in a box by Makartt. So some rhinestone glue, some dark purple glitter nail extension, some red polish, some iridescent things here to encapsulate on press-ons or gel extensions, or even encapsulate in acrylic, some glue, some brush-on nail glue, a dark blue glitter, poly gel, some different things to encapsulate or input on top of the nail, a blush polish, a brush, and some freaking super cute lashes. Okay, so you have seen everything that you can possibly receive in the month of July. Your Nail Lab by Makartt monthly subscription box. And since you made it to the end of the video, like promised, this is how you will be able to enter the giveaway for this Nailboxy month of June subscription box. So one, you need to be following me on YouTube or subscribe to my channel. You need to follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok at Rae-DivaMePlz. And then last but not least, you need to make sure you comment down below why you became a nail tech or why you would like to be a nail tech and why you think you deserve to win this subscription box from Nailboxy. The best answer wins, and I will be picking one of my 800+ subscribers to win this subscription box. I love all of you guys, and I really appreciate all of your support that you give me in watching my videos, commenting and interacting with me. So this is the best way I know how to give back, besides, you know, the other videos that I give you educational information on. So while you're doing your part, I am going to do mine and give away or give back to you guys, because I also know how it is being a beginner nail tech early in the journey. You don't have much money for a lot of things, and anything is a blessing. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You're subscribed or following me on Instagram and TikTok at Rae-DivaMePlz, and comment down below why you became a nail tech or why you would like to be a nail tech and why you think you deserve to win this giveaway. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, you know, to follow the rules of the giveaway. And also, you know, let me know what else you would like to see on the channel. Make sure you share this with all of your beginner nail tech friends so that we can all learn and grow together, and also give them the opportunity to win as well. And make sure you consider subscribing to my channel. Again, if you want to enter the giveaway, you have to in order to be selected, but consider subscribing. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. I have more vlogs, more unboxings, more mini reviews coming right to you. And I haven't forgot, my update is almost ready for you guys, so stay tuned. Until next time, bye guys.